everybody, welcome back to the Goodaways and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. We're so excited to have you. My name's Juliene, and together with my husband Justin and our 2-year-old Remiel, or Remy for short, we recently sold our house in a booming town for this 40 acres on the river in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, we got a neighbor. What are you talking about, the middle of nowhere? We got a neighbor. We're building this house from the ground up and living in that trailer while we do so. This video is really exciting. We get started on our roof, and in the end, you're gonna see a battle, an epic battle I had with the wind. So yeah, welcome back and enjoy this video. Hey you guys, just a super duper gentle and friendly reminder that if you like our videos and like what we got going on, would you please consider just going down and hitting that subscribe button and like button. I know sometimes we have a tendency, some of us anyway, to want to be like a stealth follower, but it really does help us because it really helps us get our message out to the world and helps us connect with like-minded people like you. So if you would, please consider doing that. It would mean the world. Thanks. rainbows. No rainbows.
I got here.
Freaking windier than shit out here, and Justin went to town and the freaking tarp came off one half. It's hard enough to get those things up there with two people. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it now. Idea, but an even worse idea is to not get it covered. So just gonna try to be as safe as possible.